I am Tara.
And I'm Jill.
We are the authors of the Dining on a Dime cookbook and the ebook series, How to Organize and Clean Your Home. So, today we are talking about how to organize and clean your entire house in 5 minutes. You can do it. So we have chronic fatigue syndrome and fibromyalgia, so Mom and I both have not that much energy to spend a whole cleaning session cleaning our house. So we have to do it in 5-minute increments, and literally it's 5-minute increments. Literally, I will do something, sit down, do something, sit down. So the trick here is, we call it commercial cleaning. You watch a TV show, and during the commercials, you clean something.
You clean something.
And do it every single commercial.
Why we do that is you have like 15 minutes of resting and then 5 minutes cleaning. It forces you to rest.
So even if you don't have chronic fatigue syndrome and fibromyalgia, if you're just working or whatever, use those 5 minutes and your entire house will be clean.
It will motivate you to start cleaning.
Yep. So the first thing, time yourself. I used to hate making my bed. I hated making my bed. And I timed myself one day, and it literally takes me 30 seconds to make my bed. 30 seconds, literally. Like, why am I dreading that? Now, I never, ever, ever have a day, even when I'm sick, that I don't make the bed.
Yeah.
I don't lay in bed when I'm sick. I lay on the couch. So every day, I make the bed. Doing the dishes every single day. The sink is cleared several times a day. I have 5 kids. The sink is always full. But it takes less than 3 minutes to load the dishwasher. I get it all loaded and get it done.
Yeah, and you can do that. Like if I'm cooking a meal and waiting for the water to boil, I have cleaned off a couple of my kitchen cabinet shelves. It takes me that long while I'm waiting for, instead of standing there watching the pot boil, I just go in and wipe those cabinets down, throw away old stuff that's not any good anymore, and I've got 2 kitchen cabinets clean just in the time, shelves in the cabinets.
While you're waiting with the kids in the bathtub, wipe down your toilet, wipe down your sink, wipe down your floor, get the trash out of the trash can. Literally every single time. The only time I would clean my bathroom was when the kids were in the bathtub, because it was just so easy to do. So my kids take a bath about once a week when they're little, until they start getting a little stinky around 8 to 10. And then they take it twice a week. But when they were little, once a week, that's what I would do.
Yeah. And even if you're going to call someplace like a doctor's office or an insurance company or something, and you're going to be put on hold for a while, all have speakerphones almost now. You can take that speakerphone, put it on speaker, and you can sweep your whole kitchen floor in the time you're being put on hold, to get that done.
The next tip, do the thing that's bugging you the most first.
Yeah.
So if your kitchen table is driving you crazy and it's piled high, and you can only clear off this much of a section in 5 minutes, get it cleared off.
Clear that 5-minute section.
The next time, do the next section. I challenge you today, if your kitchen table is cluttered, by the end of the day, get everything off your kitchen table and put where it belongs.
What we think is, I don't have time to do this whole table, and so we put it off, and I dread doing it. I don't have the time. It's going to take me an hour to do this table. Well, then don't think like that. Think, I'm going to clean on this table for 5 minutes and get what I can get done, and then I'll quit.
Yeah, and I guarantee you, I could go into someone's house that's piled completely high and have their kitchen table completely emptied in 15 minutes and everything put away.
Yeah.
The problem is we are psychologically spinning in circles in our head, and instead of just going and getting to work and getting it done, we just let it spin and spin and spin.
Or we don't
want
to do it.
Wear us out. We don't want
to
do
it, so we make more excuses not to do it. It's going to take me too long, so I'm not going to do that.
You could just get in and do it. Don't clean things that don't need to be cleaned. Don't dust once a week if you live in a place where you don't need to dust once a week.
One thing, too, is I like to spend time with grandkids, but yet I want to help Tara do stuff. So in order, I kind of multitask. I take the clothes in, the dry clothes in, and I sit with the kids, and we talk, and we gee-jaw, and I get them to help me fold the laundry. It takes us, maybe the 3 of us, if 3 or 4 of us are working on, like 5 minutes to get a whole load of laundry done. We're visiting. I'm interacting. I'm training the kids how to fold the clothes, and I'm getting the laundry done. try to do things like that.
Yeah.
Get the kids in to set the table for you. It only takes you, or clear the table. It only takes you a few minutes after
And as
dinner.
you're going from one room to the next, look and see if there's something you can take to the next room.
Pick up and take with you.
Take it up and just put it away, and put it away where it belongs. Don't just dump it in the next room.
Put it away where it belongs. If you're using the lotion bottle, squirt it in your hand and stick it right back in. Don't set it on another place.
Yeah.
So.
And the last thing, get rid of stuff as you're doing this. Do not feel guilty. The less stuff you have to clean, the easier it is to clean. I have a continual thrift store pile going in my garage that is always full. It really is always full.
If people just get rid of the trash on those messy tables, you'd be surprised half of it would be gone. It would take you 5 minutes just to get rid of the trash alone. So.
Yeah. So start with your trash. Get rid of your trash first. Dirty dishes next. Dirty laundry next. Then start putting things away and getting rid of stuff. And we have a joke to leave you. Cleanliness is not next to godliness. It isn't even in the same neighborhood. No one has ever gotten a religious experience out of removing burned-on cheese from the grill of a toaster oven. You can thank Irma Bonback for that.
I love Irma so much.
It's true, but it needs to be done.
Yeah, it has to be done.
No one wants to live in a sloppy house.
It'll give you less stress.
Yeah. All right, go check out our How to Organize and Clean Your House ebook set. And livingonadime.com, and check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook, and we will see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.